Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can sell the Dymension coin. It's easy to get this done. Open up your centralized exchange, and with the centralized exchange being Binance, make sure you set up an account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance of claiming 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. You've got a verified account. How can you sell the Dymension tokens? Click on deposit to simply deposit your Dymension tokens on Binance. Simply search for Dymension at the top of the screen, that's DYM, and select the Dymension and simply deposit Dymension on the Dymension network. So guys, once you've been able to deposit Dymension tokens on your Binance account, how can you sell these Dymension tokens? Click on the convert option, and where we have from, select USDT and simply select Dymension. And where we have TOE, you could easily convert it into the USDT or any cryptocurrency of your choice. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to convert it into the USDT. So type in USDT. Once you've entered the USDT, simply enter the amount of Dymension tokens you wish to swap. So let's go with 1.2 Dymension, and simply click on preview conversion and simply click on convert. By doing this, we've successfully sold our Dymension tokens. And if you head over to your wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, once there, simply scroll at the funding or at the spot, and you'd find your Dymension and you find your USDT has been converted into. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.